defense maybe than you expected to coming in at 80-something plays?
Yeah, I mean, we expected to do better, but I mean, we still got some improvement to do.
What was the message Coach Steele laid on you guys after that?
I mean, they only scored 10 points. I mean, that was the main thing, but he already said he know we got to get better. We still got a lot of room for improvement, so we just got to get focused this week and come out and have a better game next week.
Specifically, what is the improvement that's needed? Specifically, what is the improvement that's needed after a game like this?
I mean, we got to make more tackles. I mean, we missed a few. I think I missed 2 myself. I mean, it's just a lot of stuff. I mean, we're going to look over film and see exactly what it is and discuss it on Monday.
A lot of talk about being better in stopping the run, and obviously they did a pretty good job today, and they had a pretty good running back.
Yeah, they did. Coach them was bragging on the running back all week, and we knew he was pretty good. Our main focus was to stop him, but I mean, he kind of got what he wanted today. And I mean, like I said, we just got to look over him and come back and do better next week.
Can it be a positive for you? That sounds funny, but can it be a positive because you know now you got to go back to work, you got to work hard, and you're not there yet?
Oh yeah, I mean, we all know it, and we all gonna go out there this weekend and make sure we get everything corrected. I mean, this was our first game. Everybody was amped up. I mean, they started off pretty good, and we knew they was gonna come prepared. They came prepared. They knew what we was bringing to the table. We didn't really know what they was bringing because they got a new offensive coordinator. But I mean, it is what it is. We're gonna get right this week.
Is there some stuff that they really surprised you with that you just weren't prepared for?
No, not really. I mean, everything they threw at us. I mean, we practiced this week.
Was the running back better than you thought? I mean, you knew he rushed for 1,300 yards last year, but seeing him in person, was he maybe a little better than you thought?
I mean, he was a pretty good back. I mean, we don't face backs just as good. I mean, we just with the first game, we was kind of rusty in. I mean, we're gonna look over it and make sure we make up for the mistakes.
What are you gonna say to people when they look at the stats and they see that you guys, 11 of 22 third down conversions you gave up, 460-something yards, 80-something plays? They're gonna say, the defense just didn't bring it.
I mean, it ain't too much we can say. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. I mean, we ain't do what we're supposed to, so we got to just come back next week and get more focus. I mean, everybody got to do their job.
They gave you a lot of different looks today. How will a game like this help you down the road?
I mean, it'll help us. I mean, but we was prepared for it. It wasn't nothing they showed us that we didn't see this week in practice. I mean, we just went out there. We kind of made some simple mistakes that we could get fixed.